You got some old aluminum wheels, and they look like that. Pretty crappy. Center cap, this thing was pretty bad. All that rust will come off. And the lugs. This is Misty, by the way. You probably see her in other videos. She likes to hang out. Call her bitch face. But after polishing it, looks like that. So it comes out pretty dang nice. I had to do 3 coats. I had to polish it once, and then wipe it off, do it again. And then what I've been using is just this white diamond. Seems to work pretty well. And I use this steel wool. Just I guess it's just grade 00. Seems to be pretty fine stuff, but that's all I use. Put a little bit of that on the on your steel wool. And you just keep rubbing around. You just scrub it off. I put the valve stem like straight across from me. It just seems to work better. So when you're scrubbing on it and you're going around, you're just working right back to that. So it just seems to work real nice. And it's real hard to do it by myself, one-handed anyway, to show you, but so I just put a little bit like that, and then just scrub like this with the steel wool. See how it's already soaking it up, so I gotta get some more. And it'll start turning black, and that's good. That means it's cleaning it. And eventually the whole wheel will just be blacked out, but man, it's kind of hard to do it one-handed. So yeah, you just keep working on it. And then I could even show you, like I said, I did the other ones about 3 times. It was kind of hard to get that real good, but see if you, well, you can't, it's one-handed, it's hard to tell. But like, even like how that's all shitty, how it's already coming out. It eventually will come off, and if it's got rust, like I showed you on that cap, which I'll show a clip of that later, like I said, all that's going to come off. It's going to look brand new when it's done. If the rust is eaten into the metal and it's bubbly, like, then it's pretty tough to get it off. Like, pretty much it's not going to come off, because now it's part of the metal. And it'll be all rigid and the chrome's all jacked. Okay, so got all that off. There's still some residue on here. I mean, you can see that. But I'm not going to wash and get super clean, because I already can tell I need another shot at it. You can see around the valve stem, that area sucks. And then got some, where did I see it? Some right there. Some more right here. So I'll hit it again. And then these holes, getting in there is a pain in the ass, so another day I'm going to buy that big ball thing that attaches to your drill. It's like $30, so I'm not in a big rush on that, but then you just put it on your drill and just whoop, right in each of those holes, and it'll be nice and quick. Okay, coat 2 done, and obviously it's still got the wax on there, or the polish, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Okay, we'll go ahead and get all that residue off of there. Let's see how that turns out. I don't think I'll have to hit it a 3rd time, but we'll see. I had to do some touch-up spots that were pretty tough that I didn't see. Oh yeah, I think this will be good. Oh, nope. Probably won't be able to see it, but I'm going to have to hit it a little more. Right there. Still some residue. Ooh, got that guy over there. Added some tine, whatever. Little stickers down there. Anyway, so yeah, I'll go ahead and touch up this, and that's about it. And then I'll show you that cap once I get that going. The sun's directly on it, but See, it will look like that when it dries, but with that sun directly on it, it's kind of hard to tell. I don't know. But anyway. I ended up doing a third coat, just with the sock though, instead of the steel wool, just a sock rub on it. And turned out pretty good. Again, it's aluminum, so it's not going to come out like chrome, but you'll get really close. Looks pretty good. Now I'll show you that cap. Let's start with, I guess, the bad side. You can see how that looks right there. Just rub this on there. Now the rest will take some rubbing, but kind of see it there once it's shined up. See, it's all gone. Like I say, when it's deep rust, then you'll still have those spots because that's just permanent damage. But at least the nasty yellow stuff will be gone. Or red. What the hell am I talking about? Yeah, you just keep working around it and it'll, like I said, then you get all that off there. Nice and shiny again. Pretty cool. So to conclude this one, if your wheel looks like shit, like that, still got one wheel to go. Not looking forward to it. This isn't fun, by the way. But again, the finished product is well worth it. Give your wheels a facelift. But wow. Yeah, not fun. Got one to go. Definitely set aside some time for this crap. Thank you for watching. See ya!